Hey, Scott Kuykendall from Layman's here in Morton, Illinois. 2020 Pacifica. This is a Touring L. Got forward collision, single DVD. Leather, heated seats, got navigation. It's a pretty nice little car. It's inside the photo booth, so I'll give you the best I can. Quite honestly, because it's snowing outside. Been snowing for about 3 days now. I wish it would stop, but that being said. So there's a look down the passenger side. This little van's in pretty darn good shape. Tires are in good shape on it. There's the forward collision radar on it. Let me show you the rest. Of course, it's got power sliders, power liftgate in the rear, Stow-N-Go seats in the second row. There's a single DVD player. It's roof mounted. So the 8.4 radio. I'll show you the rest. So look in the driver's door. Of course, power windows and power door locks, that's normal. Has programmable seats. Of course, they're heated. Heated steering wheel. Got 23,543 for miles on it. Look at the 8.4 radio, AM, FM, has satellite. So heated seats, heated steering wheel. Has surround view camera, so out the rear and the front. Does have navigation. So here's the parallel and perpendicular parking. The lane departure on it. There's adaptive cruise control on it. It's a nice van. Call me in it. Hi, Scott Kuykendall here from Layman's in Morton, Illinois. 30 years experience automotive. In today's internet marketplace, buying an automobile via the internet is frustrating, scary, and it's really sometimes pretty difficult. I'll try not to make that for you, even to the point that if I'll send you a video, I'll send you a text, email, whatever works for you. I can handle shipping, great pricing. New cars, we just need a little information, that way we can get your rebates correct. Used cars, I'm very transparent. Check my Google reviews. Please call me. Give me a buzz anytime you want. I'm happy to help. We're here to do the business for you.